Ladies and gentlemen, this is my video special to Prime Minister Scott Morrison. Scott Morrison, you thinking with respect, they are enemy to you. When you looking at respect, you thinking with respect, they are enemy to you. A respect, they are not enemy to you. When you respect yourself, you will be strong. Now when you are not respect yourself, you will never be strong. I want you been in the government, you've been ministers in the government, Tony Abbott. And you've been in the government, Michael Tembo. And you remember I started my campaign with Tony Abbott. Tony Abbott, I don't have a video I talk about her. Tony Abbott was respecting herself. They bullying him, not to have, me and him not to have a video each other. We talk, we force each other. And you remember Tony Abbott in the parliament, he said, we want to make family together, to think we can solve violence. He move, he go, I don't have a video with her. And he don't have any complaint about how he attack me. Michael Tembo, he come. You been with Michael Tembo in the government, you been ministers. Michael Tembo, he was talking in the parliament, we feel shame. How we respect women. How we treatment women. Government, meaning government, to have share to pussy. Meaning government to have share to pussy. He go, I don't have video with her. I don't have any complaint with her. Why he been have education family? There was a bullying him herself to shame. And you've been with the prime ministers, those women, Jill Bishop, always she was say, we want to make her country around the world to be first country. To give them society rights. And to make our country a good way. And in him she was talking about shame. Naim she was talking, you are shame. And you've been with the ministers together in the parliament. Now I want you to ask all of videos when you are not remember, when you was working with him, to put video, all of parliament, A, B, C, all of news, they give you video. Ask them, I want to publish to me this video, Tony Abbott parliament. And ask them, Michael Tembo video parliament. And look how they're talking. Michael Tembo, how he talking in the parliament. Tony Abbott, how he talking in the parliament. And now you, how you talking in the parliament. You're going to judge yourself. You're going to judge yourself to this parliament. Which parliament better? which parliament is not better. I believe you'll come, you'll say to me, thank you. You'll think it's a big different. It's a big different. It's a big different. These three parliaments, leaders, how they're talking is a big different. I believe you take a respect, they are your enemy. To respect yourself, they are not your enemy. They bring you to be strong. And they bring you to respect you. Now go to my page. Always your video. Meaning when you've been respected like this another leaders, now you don't have video with you. And don't say, I don't like you. I like you. And I respect you. I respect you like my brother, small brother. I respect you like my small brother. You, when you have a respect, you respect like a big brother. When I'm a big to you 2 years, you say this is my brother, is a big my brother. To respect your brother. When you respect yourself, you respect your big brother, na him he respect you. When you respect yourself, you respect small brother, na brother he respect you. And respect are very important to you. I believe when you are not going to get respect, you are not going to solve Australia violence. Why? You say business come to protect the economic. And the people they start to come to attack me. And remember, when you talk like this, I talk. I say you want to bring violence to me. And this you talk business to come to protect society, you have to know you bring violence. And already we complain to stop violence. And you bring another violence. And this to bring violence is a 1 minute. Not to take this violence out. Na 50 years they can be not going to go out. And this violence don't think they come to me only. People he have small education, he is thinking this violence, business they'll be to me only. No, they'll be in society all around Australia. And they can bring that to be around the world. They can bring to be around the world. This violence. Business to protect society. And going to take off, not easy. Look example. To steal women's pussy, there was a 1 day. Now we talking to return pussy to women's, they want to bring violence. And already they put violence to bring violence. Now I say you are not respecting your society to bring you are not to protect your society, not to have violence, to bring another violence. And I told you before, truth education, they bring you to see here. They not bring you to remember back. Where you were coming from. When we remember back where you coming from, we coming from prison history. Now you don't want to remember to respect those people they coming from prison, our grandfathers, mothers, and they bring not to respect people they another news they come from prison. I give you example. President Rwanda, he say this attention refugees, he want to bring them Rwanda to stay to be Rwanda. Why? He have education, family, and he get education. He born in refugees. If he is not born in refugees, he go with his mother. His mother is a baby. Now he remember back. He remember back. He going to look into these refugees. They have to be her country. Now you, when you have education, now you remember this. Like him, he remember. He remember. And you thinking, I don't like you. I like you. You are not going to get another people he like you. And you are not going to get another people he love your country. It's my country. Your country. I'll die here, my funeral will be here. And if I move here, already my grand he'll die here, my funeral will be here. Not my children. You are not going to move me here, everything. Now you thinking respect to get a respect, I don't care. You thinking I don't care. I don't care how they're talking. I don't care to give them rights. Everything. When you lost education, always this language. I don't care. I don't care. Brother, care society. This violence in the future no attack your granddaughter. I see you have two girls. In the future no this violence no attack them. Not to attack granddaughter. Granddaughter. This violence, the attack attorney in parliament. You think your granddaughter is stronger to this violence? This violence, the attack of this woman in the parliament. You think they can attack you in the future? Now they can attack your daughter? Now they can attack your grand? When you give them rights, don't think you give me. You give me your society and your granddaughter, and now you yourself. When we respect, we don't have a video me with you. Now respect our sisters to return her pussy, them to get experience, to have rights. Look. You stop all job. Now I believe you will never stop prostitute. You will never stop them job. You will never stop them job. I believe you will never stop them job. Now this you protect them. You will not protect them all disease. You will not protect them HIV. You will not protect them this disease. I believe. When I talk is the truth. I believe you will never stop them. And you stop society. Girlfriend, they don't live together, they know how to close each other is a fine. When they catch them, is a fine. And you say, now if you are a parent, see, your relative, your friend, they know how to visit you. And I believe with them, you will never stop them. I believe. When I talk about I believe, I know I see one. I see one, he go to men. He come to go to men. I see one, I know him. When I talking, I don't have evidence. I don't have evidence. You will never stop them. And when you believe, you start to believe human rights, you have different how you protect society to this sickness. I repeat again. This sickness, they not come here to attack a society and to abuse them now her rights. They're no different with another sickness. All sicknesses they kill. All sicknesses they kill. And I believe this sickness, they're not going to kill all society. Now, if they don't have medicine, HIV, no society, all they get HIV. I believe they kill, they relieve someone they don't want to take them. I believe. Believe human rights. When you believe human rights, they protect everything. They protect this sickness. Human rights, they are very strong. Don't think they are not strong. When you believe human rights, you finish to believe human rights, they protect this sickness. Why I talk this? You believe human rights, and you start treatment society in human rights, and they start to be in human rights, and they start to get education to think they can dodge this sickness. Okay, have a good Prime Minister.